Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how can you use Reclaim AI. So first go to your browser. So honestly, if your calendar is constantly full of meeting, this tool is going to be really useful because instead of just managing your calendar, it protects your time automatically. First open your browser and open Reclaim. So first go to your browser and open Reclaim AI. Now you can sign up for free. After you finish sign up, Reclaim will ask you to connect with your calendar. So click on connect. Here you can see this is my calendar. So if I go to scheduling, I can share this link to share my availability. Now let's see what Reclaim offer. So basically you can do this all. So create an event, find a time, create a task, habit, buffer time, focus time, smart meeting, and a scheduling link. Let's create a habit first. So I can click on habit. Here you can create any habit like custom work habit, custom personal habit, lunch, morning catch up, exercise, afternoon catch up, learning. So for example, I'll just go with exercise 60 minutes on weekdays and click. Now you can see instead of manually scheduling workout session, Reclaim automatically find available slot. So for example, Wednesday 4 to 5 p.m. Thursday same time, and Friday same time. So similarly we can create a buffer time. So it will automatically schedule break and prep time between meeting and travel time before or after event. So you always have time to get where you're going. Next feature is focus. So with focus, it automatically defines time for productive work every week. Next one we have a smart meeting. So with a smart meeting, you can put your recording meeting on autopilot, and it can create a one-on-one or team meeting in a few clicks. And the last one is meeting quality. So we can have a better meeting with less effort. For example, it can detect event conflict, RSVP reminder, video link check, and others. So this was just a small overview of Reclaim AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.